Then to close this off, let's speak about the backup supplier. Because we just placed an order. Actually, we have to place an order today. And even before that order is placed, you already came ahead. And that's for our own products. You already came ahead and you're like, hey, like I found a backup supplier. Like just by itself, like, there was no, we didn't even need to speak about it. We were just like, oh, I found a backup. So maybe you can elaborate on that. Why would you even need a backup supplier? Why is that important?
Well, as I told you, like the example before, like with my customer that he worked with the supplier for 1 year, and after Chinese New Year, they said, "Oh, sorry, we don't produce anymore. Bye bye." Like immediately finish. Like they found that, oh, we don't want to produce because in China the production line is simple actually. You have the location and you just need to change the machine. Workers still the same. Just tell them that, hey, just change a little bit and that's it. And then the manufacturer, they more look for like what products earns more money. If they found these products not really give them too much profit margin, they can, after Chinese New Year, they have
Switch
one
it.
month. Yeah, 1 month they reorder the machine, everything switch. After 1 month, everything new, the new production, like they already start process. Really, this I saw it so often. So that's why I said a backup is very important because I don't want my customer to just suddenly lost the stock, like they don't know. And then I don't want to have time to, oh, please wait for me 1 month or one week. Like give me 1 week, I search for you. So I prepared the supplier. So if that supplier that they don't produce anymore in case, or just like they don't want or they want to higher the price. This also happen. Like sometimes the supplier you work for 3 years and suddenly they say, hey, sorry, this price we need to hire or something. Or they try to steal your idea or something like that. Then you need a backup and immediately and not like, oh, give me 1 week, I search the backup. Then it's waste of time because if you start to search, then you need to order the sample, you need to check the products, you need to everything again. So it will take about 1 month again. So this is not good.